So, I'm not going to cry, but I just want to thank everybody, all of the case doctors, my sisters in Zeta Phi Chi for keeping me grounded, and all the times that I didn't think I could get through, and it's going to be really hard to say goodbye to my Sherman family.
I just want to say thank you for everybody for being here, and thank you to my case doctors, Dr. Garner, Dr. Martin, and to my Puerto Ricans who are always there for me. That's it, yeah.
First, I'd like to give the glory of this moment to God. I'm just really grateful that the Lord saw me through this calling. There were moments when I couldn't see the next step or couldn't see the way forward, and faith was the only thing that kept me moving. Thank you to the friends that I've made here, so many of you. Some were just a warm smile in the hallway on a day that I really needed it. And some of you are my family now. You have my heart and my loyalty for the rest of my life. So, hope you're okay with that.